Hey there, D Block. I just wanted to go over what we're doing this week so you can have it in case you get lost. So on Monday, both cohorts have an assignment under their new folder here. Look, cohort 1 and cohort 2 on the classwork page of our Google Classroom. So both cohorts are going to be looking at this three estates assignment. So you're going to be making inferences about who is represented as which estate in this really iconic image from the French Revolution. So we have this man here, and then we have these two other men. And please look at what symbols they are wearing to figure out which estate they may be in. And you're going to be responding to these questions here and then attaching them to the assignment. So cohort 1, you're going to attach it to your section, and then cohort 2, you have the same assignment and you're attaching it here on your section. Excuse me, on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on which cohort you are, you're going to be watching this oversimplified French Revolution clip. It's about 17 minutes long, and then you're going to be doing this worksheet that goes with it, asking questions from the oversimplified. If you click in here and you want to click this hyperlink, that sends you right to the video. So you're going to be filling these things out and then attaching this worksheet to your specific cohort assignment. So you can see it's here for 2. And again, this assignment is going to be here for 1. Check back a little later in the week. We're going to see how far we are, how much work everybody's done. And please make sure if you are missing any assignments that you turn them in as soon as possible. All right, have a great beginning of the week.